Hi traders, it's Anthony here. Okay, we've got Atom paired with USDT. This chart open on a 5-minute time frame. What I want to do in this video is show you how effective these alerts are. We're not going to use any technical analysis. There's no reference to higher time frame. We're going to trade these alerts directly off these signals. And we're going to look at taking profit at 1 times the average true range, closing 80%, and then bringing your stop loss to better than break even so you're in the money, and trailing the rest. That's it. I don't want to get too involved with the strategy. I mean, if you want to, check the link below the video and go and have a look at my other videos on this strategy. I've got videos on both these triangle breakout alerts and the dots. There's plenty of videos on the strategy. But what I want to do is show you this. Some of these charts are better than others. It's just a matter of going through the list of altcoins here, having a look at the chart, going back and seeing how the signals stack up on different time frames. On the 5-minute, this is a great chart to trade. So we're looking at the dots and we're looking at these breakouts as well. So the rule of thumb is if we see a breakout, we wait for the pullback into the mean, this midline. When we get a touch or a near touch, we trade it, okay? And we're going to go for 80% at, if that's entry, 1 times the average true range. We close 80% and then we pull our stop loss down and we trail it. And we follow these dots. It's in my other videos. I don't want to spend this video talking about a strategy, all right? But what I wanted to do was show you how powerful this is and how many trades. If we look back 20 trades, I think we're going to get a pretty high win rate. We're just simply waiting for the retrace into the mean. You could have taken that one there. If not, it would have been that one. And we close 80%. There's the average true range down here. Look at that value. Grab your measure tool over here in the corner. Measure it down, whatever that is. If that says 20, measure down 20 and that's your TP1. After a while you get used to it and you'll be able to judge it by eye. Okay, but if we look back and we took every one of these trades without any technical analysis, no higher time frame reference, nothing, mind you, we're going to put a stop loss in at about 2 times the ATR, I think you would probably find we see, if not 20 out of 20, at least 19 out of 20 win rate with this breakout, pull back into the mean. Look at that. So you close 80% early and then you let 20% run. All right, so we've got this one here. That's a nice one. Your stop loss would have been under this level here. Stop loss under. Okay, does your trade and look at the outcome. Breakout here, pull back into the mean. Okay, that was short-lived, but we got away with it. Stop loss is going to go above these dots. Okay, so you could have closed here or here. Some of them you're obviously going to make more money than others, but it's these runaway trades that really make up for it. Guys, check it out. Have a look at the link below the video, in the description below the video. Go to my website. You'll be able to gain access to the indicators. Look, breakout, pullback. Okay, you would have closed your 80% well and truly here. So far we've had a 100% win rate taking each one of these trades using this strategy. There's a free 7-day trial, and after that, if you want to pay $19.95 a month, which is peanuts, you can have full access to my breakout, pull back into the mean. Okay, this one could have been questionable. If you caught the pullback here close enough to the mean and took that, you would have closed your 80%. If you missed it, okay, so you may or may not have. All right, there's one so far that should have been a winner, but may or may not have been. What was I saying? So yeah, I mean, you can gain access and give this a shot. It's a free trial. Pull back. Yeah, there's your short. There's another green. These are overextended. Okay, so we've got overextended and breakout trades. And look, as a rule of thumb, I'm going to take these, the dots, when the market's trending sideways. These are the best signals, because what we generally get is the range, and then we get this movement to the extremes of the range, and these are the best signals in this situation. Generally, if it's trending, if it's a steep trend, I won't take it, although you would have closed 80% here anyway, but I generally stay out of those. even though most of them are going to be profitable. Sometimes when it's a steep trend, you know, it could be a little bit more challenging. But so far, guys, I mean, we've seen a 100% win rate, and if you want to call it 99%, with one of them being questionable, sure. But again, like, I mean, we don't want to take these on a steep trend, even though they're working out. Here's the breakout, pull back into the mean, and look at that. Breakout, pull back into the mean, there or there. Okay, so I mean, so far, and this one, look at the outcome. Okay, stop loss would have been under here. You close 80%, you let 20% run. I mean, how far do you want me to go back here? You can see what we've got. Pick up the indicators and see for yourself. That could have worked out. Breakout here, trade it. I like this Atom on a 5-minute chart. I'm going to set the alert. I want these, and I'm going to make this a priority because they are pretty good. That's going to be the breakout alert once per bar. I'm just going to make this stand out. Atom, I don't know, let's just give it an asterisk or something like that. I want this to stand out because this, hands down, is a winner. So we've got the breakout alert, that's going to give us all the breakouts, and then we've got the extended alert, it's going to give us all the extended. Atom, go. I love it. Okay, I mean, that's it, guys. It wraps that up. Gain access, and you're going to get my whole suite of indicators here. Again, links below. Check out my other videos to find out more. Okay, with that, safe trading. See you in the next one.